Hello, zebra friend.
Hi, pretty parrot.
What a beautiful day.
It is. This is so much fun. Yeah, I love playing with you. Best friends.
Bet. Catch me if you can. This is the best. Close! Safe today from Crocodile today!
Thank you for helping me.
Of course! That's what friends are for.
I'm so glad we're friends.
Woohoo! You're safe! Oh, thank you! I'm so relieved! Anytime, friend. Flying high!
Follow for more videos like this on our YouTube.